Why was September so crazy? First nosy, then the rake, and then the weird-looking alien creature in the pond. Imagine having public school and seeing nosy ant, the rake, and the weird alien creature having a fight at recess. Wow, you bet your friends vacuum that something is gonna win. And there was a whole lot of things that I can't tell, but I just wanna make this short, so bye.